Hi everyone, welcome to May Ho Primary Maths Problems. I am May. In this channel, we try to solve primary school maths questions. If you find the video useful, you could sign with a Gmail account to give me a like, share and subscribe. Dear subscribers, thank you for your support to this channel. It has been a great motivation and encouragement. To do well in maths, we need to understand the basic concepts and practice with the appropriate guidance. If you would like me to help solve any maths question, you could email the question to me. The email address is found below the video. Let's look at the question. P6 fractions sharing a sum of money. 2020 Methodist Girls School SA2 Paper 2 Question 13. Let's read the question. Ali, Ben, Ken and Dan shared a sum of money. Ali has half of the total amount of money that Ben, Ken and Dan have. Ben has 1/3 of the total amount of money that Ali, Ken and Dan have. Ken has 1/7 of the total amount of money that Ali, Ben and Dan have. Part A. What is the fraction of the total sum of money does Dan have? Part B. Dan has $84. Find the sum of money shared by the 4 boys. Let's look at the keywords. Ali, Ben, Ken and Dan shared a sum of money. Ali has half of the total amount of money that Ben, Ken and Dan have. Ben has 1/3 of the total amount of money that Ali, Ken and Dan have. Ken has 1/7 of the total amount of money that Ali, Ben and Dan have. Let's look at the question. Part A. What is the fraction of the total sum of money does Dan have? And part B. Dan has $84. Find the sum of money shared by the 4 boys. How would you solve this question? If you want, you can pause the video and try the question first. Let's try to solve the question now. Part A. Now, as you know that the question given is in fractions, right? Now, from fractions, we can convert it to ratio and solve in ratio. So let's look at the second statement. Ali has half of the total amount of money that Ben, Ken and Dan have. That means Ali will have 1 unit, the other 3 boys 2 units. Let's look at the third statement. Ben has 1/3 of the total amount of money that Ali, Ken and Dan have. Ben will have 1 unit, the other 3 boys 3 units. Let's look at the fourth statement. Ken has 1/7 of the total amount of money that Ali, Ben and Dan have. That means Ken will have 1 unit, the other 3 boys 7 units. So let's work out the total of each information that we have found. Right. Now, as we know that total amount of money has no change, so we'll try to make the total units the same. Smallest common multiple of 3, 4 and 8 is 24. So let's try to work out now and make all the total the same. 3 times 8, 24. 4 times 6, 24. 8 times 3, 24. Right. So now we will work out the individual child now. So as for the information that we have gathered from second statement, Ali now will be 1 unit times 8 equals to 8 units. The other 3 boys, 2 units times 8 equals to 16 units. So from the ratio that we have found from statement number 3, Ben now will be 1 unit times 6 equals to 6 units. The other 3 boys will be 3 units times 6 equals to 18 units. And the ratio that we have found from statement number 4, Ken now will be 1 unit times 3 equals to 3 units. The other 3 boys, 7 units times 3 will be 21 units. So as we know that the total units is 24, so now we'll try to work out the individual child now. So Ali, Ben, Ken, and Dan. So Ali now will be 8 units, Ben 6 units, Ken is 3 units. So as for Dan, we need to take a total, subtract the other 3 boys. So that will be 24 units, subtract 8 units, subtract 6 units, subtract 3 units, equals to 7 units. So from here now, we have found the units that belong to Dan, and we know that the total units equals to 24. So we can answer part A now. So that means Dan's sum of money will be 7 out of 24. Let's look at part B. Now part B, as we know that Dan's money equals to 84. That means 7 out of 24 of the total amount of money must be 84. So from here we can work out 1 out of 24 now, which will be 84 divided by 7 equals to 12. And we know that the 4 boys in total will be 24 out of 24. So that means it will be 24 times 12 equals to $288. Have you got the answer? If you have, great. If you haven't, it's okay. I hope you have understood and learned how to solve this question now. Please stay tuned in this channel to learn solving another question. If you find today's video useful, please give me a like, share, and subscribe. You'll be notified once a new video is uploaded, so do remember to subscribe. Please take care and see you in the next video. Bye.